Mobility access modifications. Stove timer. The gas stove and cooktop timer enables you to use your gas cooktop or stove for a desired set time. The timer duration can be set by the electrician to any specified time range between 10 and 240 minutes. The most common time set is 20 minutes. Stove turn-off products can increase cooking safety for those with dementia, who still have good stove skills and judgment, but occasionally tend to forget. The set comes with a timer and an automatic stove shut-off system. An optional key-operated bypass switch can be installed to override the timer, which allows the stove to be used for a longer period. For more information, go to mobilityaccess.com.au.